You know, one other thing as we were packing, Mylene and I talked about, each of us as we were going through, we would come across cards that we had kept. And some were from friends, but some were from our mom. And I also have the final birthday card that my dad signed back for my 15th birthday. And it didn't matter about the chaos around us. When we came across one of those cards, we stopped what we were doing, we put everything else aside, and we carefully opened up the envelope, and we took that card out, and we read, and we reread, and we took time to just treasure this thing that we had found. God loves us. He's written a love letter to us. It's called the Bible. And sometimes in the busyness of our lives, it's just kind of a, yeah, I'll see this, and yeah, I read that, and we need to take time, at least once a day, and put everything else aside and open up this treasure that He's given us and pour through it and see what it is He wants to say to us today.